we're going to talk about how to define various time signatures. And also we're trying to have some time to classify whether the time signature is a simple time and also compound time. Compound time is a time signature where dotted note gets one count, such as a dotted minimum and dotted quadrant. Simple time is a time signature where undotted note gets one count, such as a quadrant, quaver, and minimum. Alright, so let's try to define those time signature and also how the accent occurs in this various time signature. So 6/8 is basically means 6 quaver pulses in each measure. And when we define by the beats, we group 3 quavers into one dotted quadrant. So the definition of a 6/8 is 2 dotted quadrant beats in each measure. All right, so that's compound duple. All right, how about 9/8? 9/8 means there are 9 quaver pulses in each measure. When we define by the beats. So we group 3 quavers into dotted quadrant. All right, how many of these do you have? 3. So there are 3 dotted quadrant beats in each measure. So that is compound triple. And how about 12/8? So there are 12 quaver pulses in each measure. All right. So when we define the time signature, we define by the beats. So we're grouping 3 quavers into one note, which is dotted quadrant. So how many of these do you have in each measure? 4 dotted quadrant beats in each measure. So that is compound quadruple. All right, how about 6/4? So 6/4 means there are 6 quadrant pulses in each measure. When we define the time signature, we define by the beats. So we group 3 quadrants into one dotted minimum. All right, this is the same, right? So how many of these do you have? 2. So that is 2 dotted minimum beats in each measure. So that becomes compound duple. All right, but 6/4 is where the dotted minimum gets one count. All right, okay. So compound duple same as the 6/8, but 6/8 is time signature where the dotted quadrant gets one count. 6/4 is where the dotted minimum gets one count. All right. So now let's talk about simple time where undotted note gets one count. So 2/4 means there are 2 quadrant beats in each measure. All right. How about 3/4? 3 quadrant beats in each measure. So how does the accent occur here? 1, 2, 3. So strong, weak, weak. All right, and you should not be able to group the notes or rest over 2 weak beats. Over 2, 3. Okay, all right. So how does accent occur in 2/4? Strong, weak. All right. How about 4/4? There are 4 quadrant beats in each measure. So simple quadruple, simple triple, simple duple. Okay, so 4 quadrant beats in each measure. How does the accent occur in 4/4 time? Strong, weak, medium, weak. All right. How about 3/8? 3 quaver beats in each measure. Okay. So how does the accent occur here? 1, 2, 3. So first one is always strong, the rest of them weak. Okay. All right. So even though these all have the same the bottom number 8, right? But 6/8, 9/8, 12/8 consider compound time where the dotted quadrant gets one count, but 3/8 is the only time signature where you have the number 8 on the bottom, but consider as a simple time. All right. All right. So now we're gonna talk about another simple time where the minimum gets one count. So when you see number 2 on the bottom, that stands for half. That stands for half note, which is a minimum. That means this is time signature where the minimum gets one count. How many of these you have in 2/2, 2 second, which is 2 minimum beats in each measure. All right. In that case, the quadrant would make only half beat. All right. How about 3 second? 3/2. This is where the minimum gets one count because of the number 2, the half on the bottom. So 2 stands for half note, which is a minimum. How many of these do you have? 3. So there are 3 minimum beats in each measure. All right, and then you count 1, 2, 3 for each minimum beats, right? And then let's talk about how the accent occur here. 2, 3. Consider as weak beats. That means you're not able to group the notes or rest over 2 weak beats. Count 2 and 3. So this is simple triple, and then 2/2 is a simple duple.